Hey G-Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So for the episode, this cool amazing part right here, and basically what this is an induction cooktop. So you see the side right here, they mention some of the specs that's on the product. So it has a child lock, it has a timer option, it has the function buttons that change like the temperature and the different modes on here. And obviously it has an on and off button right here. And this is basically what the product looks like, you can see right here. So for induction cooktop, you can only use certain types of pot and pan that has like a flat bottom. If you guys have like round bottom pots or whatever, they might not be ideal and probably won't work on this. But if you guys do have like flat bottom pots or pans, then you should be fine. So this is basically what the product looks like right here. Let's open up and show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so when you guys open up the inside, you guys can see it's all nicely wrapped and all protected. Alright, so once we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the package looks like. Let me take out all the wrappers first. So you can see inside they do provide a user manual to teach you guys how to use it. And they provide guys this magnet option. So basically what this is for is so that way you can actually stick this onto your pot or pan. If this does not stick on the bottom, then it probably won't work. So you definitely want to make sure you guys use this to stick it onto the bottom of your pot or pan to check it first before you guys use it on this cooktop. But right here we have the actual product. So let's take out the wrapper first. Alright. So once we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So you can definitely see the logo right here of the brand right here. And the middle part right here is basically where you're going to put your pot or pan on here. And they have all the different buttons right here. So in terms of the power level on here, they mentioned how there's 18 different power levels on here. And in terms of the temperature setting on here, there's a total of 17 different levels on here. And in terms of the timer setting, and change it from anywhere from 0 to 180 minutes. And for those guys who are curious about how big the size of your pot can be for this product, you guys can use it anywhere from 10 centimeters to 22 centimeters. But the product definitely supports a lot of cookware such as cast irons and also stainless steel products. As long as you use a magnet and actually works on the bottom, then you should be fine. And probably one of the cool things about this product is the fact that it does have a built-in overheat protection, so you don't have to worry about the product overheating. If you guys can see in the bottom, they do have the ventilation, so that way actually gives room for the actual product to breathe. And also right here as well, if you can see on top. So you get the ventilation in the bottom right here and also in the top part here as well. And they also have a few on the side right here. And they do have a little plug outlet right here that's going to plug it in to activate it. And also the fan that's built into the product, it does have a fast heat dissipation, so you don't have to worry about the product overheating as well, like I mentioned earlier. And the material that they use on the actual product right here is very easy to clean. You just get like a towel and just wipe it down. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now let me just go plug this in and test it out to show you guys how it works and whether it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here with the product all plugged in, let's test it out and see what actually works. So you're going to press the on button and you're going to press on this button right here. You can change the temperature on here. So that's the maximum temperature. And that's the maximum power right here. You can do a child lock on here. You can set timer on here. You can definitely do all of that on here. But definitely show you guys the power and the temperature on here. Alright, so we're using the induction cooktop to do hot pot. You can see right here. So we got everything all ready. Let's turn it on. Alright, so you can see that starting to heat up already, and it heats up really fast. You can see the bubble inside already. So the product definitely does work, and I'm gonna enjoy this meal right here. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys have a quick test of the product. You can definitely see it actually does work and it works quite well. Super easy to use. Literally all you gotta do is just plug in an outlet and just press whatever button you guys want to use. You guys can change it by power or temperature setting. However you guys want to use it, that's up to you guys. But definitely really cool how it has all the safety features in here for like the overheat protection and also like the child lock option as well. But probably one of the coolest things that I really like about this product is because of the material that they use on top. It's really easy to clean it off. So when you guys are done cooking stuff on here or after finishing a hot pot or whatever, you can just get like a piece of paper and just wipe it off really easily. But you definitely want to be careful to not wipe it immediately right after you guys turn off the fire because it's still going to be really hot. So if you do want to wipe it when it's still hot, you would probably want to get like a really thick cloth or thick towel and probably put on some glove as well. So that way you don't have to worry about burning yourself. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we come unboxing and testing on the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys want to make it more portable for you guys to use it anywhere. As long as you have a plug outlet to plug it in, then definitely use it almost anywhere. And especially for those guys who are planning to use it for like hot pot, this is so much more convenient than refilling the butane or the fuel tank every single time on those gas burners. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.